Hi friends, this is 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. Here is Realme C3 smartphone. In this video, we will learn how you can take a screenshot and long screenshot on our phone Realme C3. First of all, go to the screen for which you want to take a screenshot. Here I want to take a screenshot from this Google Chrome page. This is the page where I need a screenshot. My first method, use power button and volume down button together. Just press together power button and volume down button. Press and hold. Yes, screenshot is taken. For taking long screenshot, again do the same. But click on the image that you captured and click on scroll here. Click on done. Yes, this is a long screenshot, and if you want to edit, you can do it. Use editing tool, and there are various editing tools available. Just use any one and click on tick mark finally. Click on done. Yes, this is a long screenshot that I took using this option. And we will see the next method of taking screenshot. As usual, go to the screen for which you want to take a screenshot. And now with your 3 fingers, just swipe down on the screen. Swipe down with 3 fingers on the screen. Screenshot is taken. For taking long screenshot, again swipe down and click on the captured image. Click on long screenshot in the captured image, and the image will be scrolling. Click done finally. If you want to edit, use editing tool. After editing, click on tick mark. Click on done. Yes, this is a long screenshot of editing using 3 fingers swiping down method. Now we will see the another method of taking screenshot, that is side swipe method. Just swipe here and click on screenshot icon. Yes, this is the icon and screenshot is taken. And I again do it from the Google Chrome page. Swipe here and click on the screenshot icon. Yes, screenshot is taken. For taking long screenshot, again do the same and click on the captured image. Click on long screenshot in the captured image and extend the image like this. Click on done. Click on edit if you want to edit this image. Click on the tick mark. Click on done. And there is another method of taking screenshot. For that, you have to set it first. Go to the settings and click on convenience tools. Click on assistive ball and turn on assistive ball here. Click on tap menu. As usual, go to the screen for which you want to take a screenshot and click on the assistive ball option. Assistive ball here and click on screenshot icon there. Screenshot is taken now. For taking long screenshot, again do the same and click on the captured image. Click on long screenshot in the captured image and scroll like this. Click on done. If you want to edit, use editing tool. After editing, click on tick mark. Click done finally. And there is also another method of taking screenshot. For that, you go to first turn off assistive ball option. So go to the settings again and click on convenient tools and here select assistive ball and turn off it. Now go to the settings again and click on advanced settings. Click on accessibility. Click on accessibility menu and turn on accessibility menu. Click OK. And you will see the accessibility menu here. As usual, go to the screen for which you want to take a screenshot and click on the accessibility menu and select screenshot icon there. Yes, this is a screenshot. For taking long screenshot, again do the same. Click on screenshot. Click on the captured image, but long screenshot is not possible with accessibility menu option. Now to see the screenshots folder, just go to the file manager here and click on phone storage. Click on DCIM. Click on screenshots folder and you will see all the screenshots here. So in this way you can easily take a screenshot and long screenshot and locate the folder also. That's all friends. Thanks for watching. Bye.